Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to grip hair with tweezers easily. And this will be a super easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have tweezers like these and you want to grip your hair easily in order to pluck out a strand of hair, or multiple strands of hair, this is the video for you. I'm going to be moving my glasses. I'll take them off like this and I'll show you, I'll give you just a good view of what I'm going to be doing. So essentially these are the tweezers right here, and if you take a look at the tweezers, let's try and get them into focus. When I push them together, the tips of the tweezers, okay, end up touching. Then there's like a gap further along, but the tips end up touching, okay? So basically that's the part that you want to use to grip the hair. You want to use the tip of the tweezers, or the tips of the tweezers. You want to use that part to grip the hair, okay? So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to target a specific hair. So I'm just going to say, to be honest with you, my vision is really bad. So without my glasses, like with my glasses, I can see, but without my glasses, when I come close to the camera, it's difficult for me to see, but I can kind of get an idea. There we go. So I can see some hairs over here. So I'm going to pick a hair and I'm going to target a hair right over here, okay? So what I'm gonna do when I target that hair is I'm gonna take the tweezers, I'm gonna get them, and I'm gonna bring them close to the skin, but you don't want them on the skin. You wanna basically get them close to the skin where they're gonna grab the hair, but not on the skin. Because if you make them touch your skin, when you go to pinch the hair, you might end up pinching your skin, and you don't want that to happen. So get them close to the skin, but not touching the skin. And then when they're in position, you wanna grip the hair by squeezing them together. You wanna give them a good squeeze. And once you have gripped the hair, then that's basically what this video is about, gripping the hair. But then you can pluck the hair out if that's what you want to do. Very simple. So I'm going to come closer to the camera. I'm going to use the tweezers. We're going to go right over here, and I'm going to grab a hair right over here. I didn't grab it. I'm on a little bit of a weird angle. Give me a moment. I'm just going to put my glasses down so I can get a little bit of a better angle. There we go. So now I'm using my other hand to get a better angle, and I'm just gonna go right here. We're gonna try and not touch the skin, and I have a hair, you see it right there. So I did actually, yes I did, I was gonna say I did not pull out the hair, but I did. It is hard to see, but the hair is, I'm trying to see if you can see it on the camera. The hair is right on the end of this part right here, but I'll do it one more time just to show you, okay? So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna target a specific hair right there. There we are. So you see how my skin pulled away? That's because the hair was pulling on the skin as I was plucking it out. And that time, I don't think I actually got the hair out. Okay, I'll try one more time. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. In a real life situation, I would get the hair most of the time, okay? But because I'm on a weird angle and I'm trying to, really speak as I'm doing this as well, it's a little bit more difficult. I'm gonna target that hair right there, okay? And we'll just get maybe that one right there. So yeah, for that one right there, I did get it out. You can see right here, actually there are two hairs. I think I got both of them out when I tried that time. There's one hair on either side of the tweezers right now. I think one of them flew off when I was talking, but anyways, I got hairs out, okay? I plucked hairs out. So basically I told you exactly how to use tweezers, okay, to grip your hair. And then I showed you how to sort of pluck it out as well. Really, really easy to do. Once you've done it, a handful of times, you'll probably get the hang of it. I mean, it's just a matter of practicing. And once you've practiced it a few times, you'll probably get the hang of it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.